Yeah, today I got totally soaked by a wave, and yeah, this is the aftermath. I lost a crap load of tackle. On the other hand, I brought a akule to fit to um cook just like the last time I cooked the lai. But today I caught a akule a while ago. I had it frozen, so today I'm gonna just put it inside the tin foil, cook it up like how I cooked it up the last time, and see how it comes out. It's already cleaned. You can see right over here. I'm trying to get it out of the bag because I have my phone in my hand. I'm not using the GoPro. It's already cleaned. I'm debating about how to do this. I might just cook it like this, put the butter on top, and hopefully it soaks down in. But I know I gotta go put seasoning on both sides. Hopefully it comes out okay, because the last time the lai tasted rather good. Okay, let me get on to work, because I should have learned from the last time to bring a tripod. Well, let me put some seasoning and everything else. Well, never mind. Here's the butter. And here's my seasoning from the not from the last time. Same thing as last time. Has garlic, salt, has paprika. But let me get on to work because I'm getting hungry right now since I had a lot of cleaning to do. This is it after I finish, but I noticed I don't have my sternal. So I'm preparing this all for nothing. I'm gonna probably just keep it in the foil and put it back in the cooler. Yeah, the sternal got wiped away with the wave. And plus, look at how far I am up. I had everything right over here, and this is more along the lines of level ground. I got screwed today. Along with my shoes got wet again, so I'm not a very happy camper. But more I think about it, even more so since I don't have my sternal. Well, I'll go probably finish this video up somewhere. I'm not too sure where though. Okay, so this is, I have to go back to the car. I figured leave the whole area. I'm right over here at Mauna Bay by the canoes. I figure over here, might as well cook my lunch, or it's supposed to have been breakfast. But since, yeah, I got washed out again after that, so that pretty much sucked. Yeah, so I just gotta give it maybe about 10 to 20 minutes till it cooks. Then I can open it up and eat it. This is the akule, not fried, but more like steamed, I suppose, because it's inside the tin foil. Okay, thank you. Okay, so it's been about maybe 30-40 minutes. I turned this guy around. Let's go try to undo this. Let's see if it's cooked. The other side seems like it's cooked because I only cooked this side for maybe about 10-15 minutes. This side I cooked for a little bit longer. Darn. That's pretty good. Let's go try to get more meat. Take off this skin, take off the bloodline. Even the other side looks pretty cooked too. You can see the white meat. Sorry, cleaning off the lens. This is actually just as yummy, just as surprising and yummy as the last time. I think I found a new way of cooking these things. A little bit better in frying, I suppose, but still I'm using butter. It's been many hours since I wanted to cook it, but since the sterno got washed away with the wave, along with a lot of my tackle, today was just one of those days. I haven't had a good day for a long while, but I did catch a triggerfish. So far I haven't run across any bones. Just trying to get away from the skin though. But on the other hand, this was my last sterno I had because I bought a packet of 3. I might be doing this more often for myself, but make sure the wave don't take my sterno away. I'm pretty sure this is a lot more healthy than eating at Taco Bell or McDonald's or wherever else. As is, I do need to get more healthy. I'm not that overweight, but age catches up with a person, I guess. Not as healthy as I was when I was younger, and or maybe too much supplements when I was younger. Take away all, take away all the bloodline. And start eating the akule. Just when I say I didn't run across any bones, ran across a bone. I think so this side I could have cooked a little bit longer. Still got cooked though. Still nice and yummy. And the best part about it, at least the fish didn't go to waste. I'm eating it. And provides me a decent meal. Not much, but decent meal. I think I have enough energy to pick up my son and take him home. Although I want to do this at the potluck. On the other hand, today just was one of those days I just kept on, nothing was going right. Nice and yummy. You can see the cayenne pepper, you can see the butter, Okay, well, thank you. Have a good day.